Now suspended Ekurhuleni Legal and Risk Services Head Advocate Khemraj, Kemi Behari, has denied advising former Ekurhuleni City Manager Dr. Imogen Mashazi to not act on the IPID investigation into EMPD Deputy Police Chief Julius Mkhwanazi, which recommended that he be charged.
We're talking about the city manager. Mr. Behari, please stop doing that. We're talking about the city manager. She says you informed her that the document is incomplete and you advised chief or somebody she doesn't know that the city cannot take action on this document, which is the IPID report. Rather, they should do an internal investigation.
Chair, as I'm saying, Chair, that is not my advice to the city manager. The engagement with the city manager was that we are addressing certain vague issues in the report as per the letters that we went out. And when she said he has advised chief or whatever, I didn't advise anybody for another internal investigation. I just spoke to the city manager about what were the concerns raised as per our engagements internally. And those are the only issues. I never gave city manager any advice to the extent that we've said there must be another internal investigation.
So she was not truthful in her evidence?
If that is the case, she would have been mistaken or not truthful, but okay. not according to what I gave her.
This evidence, however, ran contrary to the conduct of Advocate Behari, where he stated that the charges against Julius Mkhwanazi were unsustainable, raising the question of how Behari would expect a disciplinary process to proceed on charges that are not sustainable.
But if the charges are not sustainable, you cannot charge Julius Mkhwanazi.
But I explained to her what the process is. So at that stage, it is not sustainable, but we are engaging with the IPID to get clarity on aspects.
But you never engaged with IPID. You said so yourself, that the letter never went out, and you never followed up to ensure that it goes out.
Yes.
So in fact, you blocked the process because you didn't engage with IPID.
The context of these probing questions is against the allegation that Advocate Behari formed part of a clique that deliberately shielded Julius Mkhwanazi from accountability. Another alleged member of the so-called clique is Linda Qashega, the now suspended Ekurhuleni HR head, who is set to take the stand next. However, could not proceed with her evidence due to scheduling issues, and will instead return on the 26th and 27th of February 2026, as ordered by the Commission. The hearings continue on Wednesday with a new witness on the stand. Kemi, SABC News, Pretoria.